Did you spray him?
Yeah, with soapy water.
Drop it. Drop this watch. Don't f with this you, bro. What was that look? Well, this is something we don't get too often. Chevy Silverado lifted. We are clear-braing the grill and the front bumper. We are clear-braing the grip. We are clear-braing the grill and the front bumper on this. Are you excited about this, Dustin? This thing is lifted. Look at this. It's crazy cool.
You could live in there. You could crawl up inside, squirrel on a cold night, sitting on an engine bay.
Another blue Model 3, and today we're going to be doing the front windshield tint and the sunroof tint on this one, and a Clearbra on the full front end. Summer be heating up, Dustin boy. Gonna get hot, real hot. Do you like my accent?
Of what?
Pirate. Do you have any relatives that are pirates? You have a pretty vast variety of relatives.
I'm Scotch, Irish, and German.
I mean, like Joe Exotic. That's pretty sick. This blue, Dustin, get out of my way. This brand new blue Tesla Model 3 is now done. So our usual special, well, I guess it can't be usual special because then they wouldn't be special at all. But PhotoSync 70 the front windshield, nice and clear. We also tinned the sunroof as well. And this entire full front end is Clearbra. So if you see any water bubbles, just know that that's perfectly normal. It's gonna dry out. We literally just pulled this car out, so it's gonna take a little bit of time to cure, but it's all good. Here's a little bit of the close-up to show our quantity of work. As you can see, our film is really clear, which is the whole point. Perfect way to get this brand new car ready for the Houston roads, especially since it's summertime. So if you guys want to get the same thing done, hit us up. What did you get for your car?
Had this just sitting around.
Sitting around. That's a big freaking lift. You have intake vents on either sides for extra maximum airflow.
Wow, Sean, you're like a race car now, bro.
You hear that? You're not a person anymore, Sean. You're a car now. You're a race car, bro. So right now we're in the process of installing Sean's new front lip spoiler that he's so proud of. Are you imagining right now all the drifts you're gonna do and track stuff you're gonna do around the apex corner?
In the apex corner, whatever you call it.
2 hours later.
It looks good. I think the gloss carbon, nice contrast to the sound we got going on. Just got done with this really cool Silverado. We didn't do too much, but we did clear bar the front bumper and the grille here. As you can see, there's a lot of painted parts on this front end, and since the truck is tall, it's just gonna get a lot of bugs and just a lot of grime on this whole front end. That way the paint's protected and it'll still look new, because after a while, this is gonna look really bad if we don't get this done. So really happy with how this came out. Looks good.
This tank is nasty as hell.
This is Jimmy's baby.
Yeah, well, Jimmy needs to clean it.
I don't even know what you guys talking about.
Do you like Jimmy's fish tank?
No.
Yeah, no.
I'm the one to take care. I'm the one to feed the fish. Why I like it? I don't like it. I call him here. Why you yell at me? I didn't even yell at you. You're too f***ing sensitive.
Yo, this is a really cool color, dude. Porsche Panamera hybrid we have in today. Lower links are gonna go on this thing. That way when we adjust the ride height in the car, it will all be set down a little bit lower than the factory.
If you use gloves or scrub. Just kidding. Probably better, but I'm trying to save the turtles, so I'm not using them. Because that's rubber. Turtles eat that, and then turtles look like crap, and they die on the bottom of the ocean. Talking about, bro?
Why would your gloves end up in the ocean, Tyler?
Why did straws end up in the ocean?
People bring straws to the beach.
People bring gloves to the beach.
Why would your gloves be at the beach, though?
Bring them, dog. At least an inch of wheel gap before.
So yeah, definitely not an inch anymore, so this is nice.
That's the standard adjustment that it was given at. In the rear, we adjusted more.
So here's what it looks like now. There's a slight wheel gap, but it looks a lot better. It's not slammed. It doesn't look crazy, you know? And here's what the rear looks like. A little bit of wheel gap, which is what you want. But then now that the car is a little bit more lowered, these stock wheels sit in even more now. So definitely want to get spacers or at least get aftermarket wheels. So now that we got the lowering links done on the Panamera, we're actually going to be doing a chrome delete on this. As you can see, the car doesn't have chrome anywhere except for the window trims, so it kind of looks out of place. It doesn't make sense to have this, so we're going to be changing it out. Sean is no longer wrapping today, so I'm going to take over. As you can see, I already did this part. I'll be honest with you guys, it's not the best work, but I'm going to rip it off and redo it, because I'm a perfectionist.
You.
And at the same time, Dustin is here, gonna be clear brawling the Panamera while we work on the chrome delete. Several things happening at once, right, Dustin? What's going on in your brain today, Dustin?
Huh? Huh? You're not yourself. Eat a Snickers. Huh?
Looks good with the chrome delete. Definitely makes a big difference. Window trims were chrome, now they're gloss black. Kind of blends in with the windows, so it kind of makes the windows look bigger. And there was also chrome on the door handles too, so we wrapped that just in that little area here. No one really notices it, but hey, you know, gotta get rid of all the chrome you can.
Oh yeah, so much better.
And we also Clearbra this entire full front end. This is gonna stay looking new for as long as he owns the car. And the cool thing with this color is since it's like a white grayish color, Clearbra just looks even more invisible. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you haven't yet, please like, rate, and subscribe to this channel. And I have a video here that I think you might like, so check it out. I'll see you guys next time.